Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about tan x, that is about sin x over cosine x. So sin x multiplied by this one, and we have sin x squared over cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1, because we have sin x squared. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have sin x squared equal to 1 minus cosine x squared. So I will put this one gone here. So we know that number 1, that is about 1 square. So we have the formula in here. Next, this one we change by this one. Now we simplify 1 minus cosine x on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 divided by cosine x divided by cosine x. Now we simplify this one. And this one we have secant of x. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of secant of x plus tan x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.